Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. I know this whole setup looks a little bit different because usually I'm holding it vlog style, but some of you guys were complaining that I was shaking the camera a little bit too much, so I got a little tripod set up. So today's video, I am reviewing, I don't know if you guys have heard about this new company, but yeah, I've talked about them before on my channel a few times. And I made a video about them, you know, just kind of mentioning it really quick in a video, and they like retweeted one of my tweets, and I don't know, we got in contact, and the company is called Gig Mobile. This is pretty nuts. I wanted to share this with you guys because, you know, the Rideshare Hub is the best channel for Uber and Lyft drivers, and I do say that a lot. So I wanted to throw this whole review out for you guys because this is the first cell phone company specifically geared towards rideshare drivers and gig workers. So we're talking about Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Caviar, Postmates, literally anything you do that's in the gig economy. This is geared towards you, towards me. And so I just signed up with them. The company is called Gig Mobile. I don't know, they gave me like this crazy offer that they're sharing with you guys. So I'm gonna go over the video, review it, and then I'm gonna talk about the offer like towards the end. But I'll leave a link in the first link in the description will be that. But I think they're waiving like the entire initiation fee to sign up. So yeah, you get it, they send you a phone. It's a whole phone plan, unlimited data, text, calls, all your apps, and I don't know, it almost sounds too good to be true. So I just signed up, and so I just got my phone here. You know, now I have two phones. If you guys want two phones, you know, but I'm actually I'm transferring on, so I just have one phone now. But yeah, so it's saved me like 50% on my you know, monthly bill because it's really cheap. But yeah, I'm gonna go through it, review it really quick, and then I don't wanna make this video too long. I just wanted to like go over it with you guys, and then you guys can decide if you want to get this phone. It's like literally it's a phone, iPhone. And like a really good, I mean, I have, what do I have? I don't even know what I have right now. I have Sprint. This is too super new. All right, so I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna sync up my computer here so you guys can go along with me. Let me tell you about my best friend. All right, here we go, guys. Gig Mobile, boom. A phone plan designated for the gig economy. Unlimited everything. Right off the bat, like, I like that because, I don't know about you, but I personally don't have unlimited data on my phone, and sometimes I do run out, and it's like, sometimes I'm driving for Lyft, and I literally am like running out of data, and I need to like update. It's like an extra like 15 bucks per gig, so that is like really stressful. Also, like, phone plans are just expensive. Like, mine is like 100 bucks a month, and you know, like, the one I did have before Gig Mobile, and I was, you know, it was with Verizon, so like, you know, they say, oh, it's worth it, you know, because the coverage is so good, but it's like, you don't need to be paying 100, 200 bucks a month. I think I was paying like 150 or something. I don't know, I was on a family plan, and we were paying like an insane amount. But yeah, this is really awesome. So far, I mean, I only have good things to say. Like, I want to give like a good pros and cons critique, but so far I have everything good. So okay, upgrade your device on an easy and affordable payment plan. Oh yeah, so you got a payment plan. Gig Mobile offers to access, wow, it keeps scrolling on me. Access premium model iPhones, giving you more power and resources to run your gig economy business. Yeah, all these ones, WAG, even WAG too, or Bird, Uber Eats, Instacart. Down payments as low as $0, and then this is the price. So it's $12.50 a week. I really like that it's weekly because, you know, like, stick with us for 2 years and the phone is yours. So you get to keep the phone after 2 years, but like, Oh look, rideshare driver Dustin is sending me a message. If you guys know who, or Dustin is driving, sorry, that's his name now. But yeah, I don't know about you guys, but like, I like the whole instant pay with Uber and Lyft like a lot. Like I'll do that usually, like, actually I stopped doing it, but because they charge like 50 cents per payout. So, but I like the weekly pay because like at normal jobs, it's usually like every 2 weeks. Or actually one time, I only got paid once a month at one of my jobs. So the fact on Uber and Lyft that I do get paid every week, it's really nice. I mean, you can get paid any single day you want, which is also cool. But like, I like the fact that with Gig Mobile, it's $12.50 a week, not like, you know, that's more manageable. That way, you know, you can just set it up on auto payments. It just comes out of your account. Your device is your lifeline, blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, I wanted to say, I got the phone in like 3 days too. I got it like really fast. I can just show you really quickly. This is my phone. Yeah, I think that's about it for the website. Repairs on demand, no downtime, no more earnings. Yeah, seems pretty straightforward. I mean, it's a phone, unlimited data, unlimited text, unlimited apps, whatever you want. But yeah, I can see here, I have all my, see if we can let it focus on here. Yeah, I have all my apps here, you know, standard stuff. I mean, I still got like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, all my other stuff, Shopify for my merch store. Like, you know, I have, as you can see, Lyft and Uber right here. That's what I'm at so far this week. Not a horrible week with Lyft. Let's see what I'm at earnings wise this week. I've been working hard, guys. I don't know if you can tell, I just got a fresh new haircut just so I don't even have to do my hair anymore, because a lot of you guys have been complaining about me doing my hair. So anyways, yeah, I have everything on here. If you know, can see, just like a normal phone. Like, gotta have Justin Bieber in my background. I know I'll probably get some hate for that, but it's kind of like a joke. Like, I used to really like Justin Bieber, like, but now I just have it on my phone because girls think it's funny. You know, hometown trees. I'm from Orange County, California, so, you know, gotta represent. But yeah, like I said, it's $12.50. Oh yeah, and then here's the special offer. Let me, okay, so this is what Gig Mobile is doing. Usually what it is a $99 down payment, and then it's $12.50 per week. So yeah, so think about it, $12.50 a week times 4. What is that? I can do that in my head. 48. It's $50 a month, pretty much. And which is my phone plan. That's like half my phone plan. And you get a free phone. So like, you don't need to, you know, pay extra on top of your phone. So usually it's $99 to start, and then $12.50. I feel like a salesman right now. But Gig Mobile told me, like, hey Dylan, we're gonna give you guys, because since they're a new company, they want to get a bunch of users. Like, they're pretty much, so the $99 that it costs to start, they're waiving that. So it's literally $0 down. So you guys can sign up right now and not pay anything. All they told me that you guys have to pay is the shipping cost for the phone, which, like, you know, phone's tiny. I think the shipping at most, they say, is like 15 bucks. So right out the door, you're paying 15 bucks. You get a free phone, and then you're paying $12.50 a week. And if you don't like it for whatever reason, just send the phone back. And like, yeah, you don't need to pay anymore. Or if you want to stick it out for, you know, the 2 years, you get a free phone. You get to keep the phone, which I don't know why I'm so hype about this. I just get really excited that, you know, there's a company specifically geared towards rideshare drivers. So, or a cell phone company specifically geared towards rideshare drivers. And personally, I hate like bills in general, or like payments and stuff. Like, I don't have Spotify, I don't have Netflix, I don't have like I don't have any car payments, I don't have any credit cards. Like, I try to get my payments as small down to 0 as possible. And so like one thing that you do need to make a payment on is like obviously electricity, my rent, or like my mortgage when I buy my house, and then like whatever, gas, and then cell phone. But like with this, it's like literally it cuts the cost down. So I really personally like that. And I also like that it's weekly so I can manage it like easier. And you know, I'm making like however much you're making a week, like all you have to do is subtract that by $12.50. Like, you know, I know a lot of you guys out there like just working part-time, like $300-400 a week. You don't even notice your payment like lowering. It's just $12.50 and you get a free, like it's pretty much like a free phone. You're paying for your phone while working. I don't know why I'm so hyped about this, but yeah guys, anyways, the link in the description will be if you guys want to get it. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I just got it, so I want to like join this journey with you guys, and I'm going to be making update videos. Like probably in a few weeks I'll make another video saying like, you know, giving like a full overview. As of now, it's an iPhone 7. It's a great phone and I enjoy it. Sorry, my brother is calling me. I'll have to call him back. But yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Again, $0 down, $12.50. So you're saving $100 on the down payment or whatever, and then $12.50 a week. Yeah guys, that's literally it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below, did you sign up? If you did sign up, leave a thumbs up in the comment section and tell me that you did sign up. That will be really great if you do. If not, you know, still give this video a thumbs up, because why not? Check out the merch if you want. Anyways, I will see you all next time. Have a great day. Bye guys.